All right, this is that same trade. It's been a few minutes. Ticked up one tick. Only traded 900, or I'm sorry, only traded 9 into that, and then traded 598 down below. The reason it clicks back is because if it clicks back long enough and it puts down enough contracts, it'll clear that number out. But still, they immediately drop 100 on there. I think this is what's called absorption, although I'm not, a professional at it yet by any means. Uh, and what that means is every time that they try to go up here, the sellers offer as much as they're willing to buy, and it keeps getting absorbed, but the price doesn't move further. Uh, and you can see that they're pulling their orders out of the way. This is a pretty large number here, and we are still short. The thing I like about the bond is it's, pretty gently moving. It moves in an organized manner. It's not erratic. I mean, I've been in this trade now for several minutes, and you know, you can see things as they unfold. And if I wanted to try and get out, for a one tick win, take my $31 and go home, I could just click right here, and it would put in I'm sorry, I could click right here, and I would get out of the trade. So if I clicked right here, it would put a limit order in for me, and I would, you know, trying to get out at the 143.15 level. Now, according to the Warren concept, I've got an overall short bias. So being short at this upper range right here is pretty good, especially if the range had been longer. Right now, you're only talking about what from 05 to 18 is 13 ticks. You know, in the bond, that's actually a decent range. So see, we've traded down one. If I wanted to get out right now, I could click here and get out for a one tick win, which is $31. And now we dropped again. Now we're trying to trade down here at 14s. If we can hit that, I'll be up about $60. There we go. And notice the difference in numbers here. You're talking four, four, 446 of these guys right here step down to give it up. They had, and in order to do that, that's sort of like putting in a market order. You're saying, I want to be involved now, right now. I don't want to wait. I want to be involved right now. So now they've traded 262. Oh, there you go. See how that just clicked up? That just took out everything that was on the offer. That's probably a good sign I should get out of this. Because if I get out now, I can get out for a one tick win. See? There you go. Now they're putting up some numbers that say, hey, we're gonna put up a fight. And it goes back and forth like that all day long. And I mean, you can you can take 3 ticks out of this market and make $100. So by clicking here, because I see they're pulling their bids. They're pulling the offers. They're adding to the bid.
Order pending.
So let's see if I can get out for a 1 tick win and see if I can switch direction.
Order filled.
All right, I got out and I'm now long. Looks like they're trying to battle it out right here. Need the buyers to start trading up in here. And this is called a cut and reverse drill. And what it does is it gets you to really look at all what you mainly want to focus on is right here. But then every once in a while you want to glance here and you want to glance there to see what those other markets are doing. Now, it looks like sellers are still going to push on this. But I think you get the idea.